Sometimes things don't go according to plan and you gotta improvise. So this is a video about how I plan on improvising because brands just aren't showing up. How you guys doing again? This is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I need you to sign up for Patreon. If you found any of this information valuable on a consistent basis, the way to keep this whole thing alive and keep it rolling is to sign up through Patreon. There's a lot of things that I want to bring you guys, and because brands just aren't showing up yet or it's not happening fast enough, there are things that I need to do in order to make this channel everything that it's supposed to be while we wait. I started a Patreon account, and by joining Patreon, you get some perks. The first of which is you get early access to videos that I produce. Now I'm going on a schedule where I release a video every Monday, but if you still want first access and access to these videos as soon as they're done, you can get that via Patreon. The second perk you get is the Hustle Team group chat. And the Hustle Team group chat is somewhere where you can be around like-minded people striving to meet their personal and business goals on a day-to-day basis. We are in that group. We're having feedback. We're doing all types of things to help each other out, just giving out the information to each other and just feeding off of each other based on what's going on. This is a place that I guarantee you that you want to be. Some of those guys will be commenting on this video and you can talk to them yourself. It's just a great place to be. The third perk you get is just more access to me. I'm at the point where it's very, very hard to keep answering phone calls and messages and getting back to them in a timely manner. I'm trying my best, but I need to run things for myself as much as I run T-Shirt Side Hustle. And I'm all for giving out free knowledge, and I will not stop making free YouTube videos. But one of the things that you get access to is me on a regular basis via the group chat or just from being a part of my Patreon at any level. The fourth thing you get is some of the case studies that I'll be working on and showing you the ins and outs of starting an Etsy store and an eBay store. Lastly, my design videos in full with full voiceover and step-by-steps on how to do it, but I will also be giving away the files that I make, some of the Disney designs that I create for Etsy. Anything that I create, I will be giving away the digital files for you to use free of charge. So if you're ready to join the Hustle Team, click the link below, read up on my Patreon account. If you can't, no worries. I appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching. This has been Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.